Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have VECHAIN Vet daily update. Let's see where are we going, how we will do from now on, and of course make a price prediction and the technical analysis. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course share the video. Thank you for watching. Join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. So let's see some important things here. First of all, we lost here this bottom trend line. Once we lose these guys, we knew that we were going having lower lows. You can see here lower highs. So what is the future right now? Are we going further down? Are we stopping here and eventually might climb up? We will talk about that later. Right now we have the support levels, the major support levels, guys, we want to hold, and some short-term resistance levels right here. So we have the 11, 10, 12 to 13 cents as our major resistance levels. Right now we have the 10 cents and 9 cents, and of course 50-day EMA seems to be playing a resistance level part here. Of course the 20-day EMA is playing again, but I think we will grow and surpass the 20-day EMA for sure, and we might find resistance on the 50-day EMA. We have some huge obstacles, guys, to just go above, and we will want to see if we can go and retest this major resistance line, the 13, around here 13 cents. Let's go to the MACD to see some important things. We have a bullish recross here, although we need to surpass this resistance level in order to say that we are going to have higher lows and higher highs. Maybe if we surpass this will be looking good on the 4-hour frame. However, guys, right now we can't decide if we are looking good or bad. We have the bullish recross here, however, we need some distance between the signal line here, the orange line, and the blue line, the MACD line. We need some further distance between those lines again. So let's go to VECHAIN against USDT, guys, on the 4-hour frame to see why we had here a buying opportunity for VECHAIN. The RSI was below 30, the commodity channel index was below minus 100 for the 4-hour frame. Therefore, guys, we knew that we were going upwards. Now we are going a little bit downwards, but in overall, we might just be making higher low pattern here. You can see this might be our lowest and go above, even further above. We have the SSL tunnel, the red line is above the green line. We don't have a buying opportunity yet, but we have room to grow. We are not now in an oversold situation, guys. However, we can grow more. We want the RSI to keep going upwards. Same here for the commodity channel index. We want this line to go even more upwards, right? So let's go to VECHAIN, guys, against USDT in the daily frame. And of course, I will add the EASE indicator right here, but I just want to show you that the Bollinger bands, we approach the bottom line. So therefore, we might expect to see a momentum to the upwards, right? As you can see on the commodity channel index, we are approaching an oversold situation. We are not here yet, so we can fall a little bit down, further down, but we are approaching an oversold situation. On the MACD, we don't want to see the bearish cross, or if we see it, then we want immediately for the blue line to recross the signal line, guys, the orange line right here, right? So we want to have that in order to say that we are going upwards. Right now we are about to see a bearish cross. However, we would love to get rejected here and go upwards. We would love to get rejected from the orange line and the blue line goes above again. So this will be very great to see. VECHAIN, guys, against USDT, I will now have this indicator involved. You can see we had a sell here opportunity after a buying opportunity right here, but eventually right now we don't have a clear buying opportunity according to this indicator. However, guys, we might see going a little bit upwards in the meantime. VECHAIN, after correcting a little bit more, we might go as well upwards. We will see about that, we will analyze it. Right now, let's go to VECHAIN against Bitcoin. The reason we had this swing high is because we had low RSI here, oversold situation, extremely oversold situation. Same for the commodity channel index for quite some time. Here you can see for around 5 days we were in an oversold situation. However, we expected for the VECHAIN against Bitcoin, guys, to grow. We expected VECHAIN against Bitcoin to go upwards even more, right? But we find rejection here on the 20-day EMA. but we are not in an overbought situation. That's good. What we expect now is to go even further downwards. We don't want to see an oversold situation for VECHAIN against Bitcoin again. On the 4-hour frame, you can see that we have the bullish recourse on the MACD. However, we are seeing that we aren't so strong to go even higher. We won't go even higher. After this squeeze point right here, guys, lower highs, higher lows, we couldn't manage to go upwards. Instead, we fell down. We want to maintain above the 0.50278 support level, and we don't want to fall down to 0.50250, right? We want to maintain above these support levels. So let's go to VECHAIN against Bitcoin. You can see here that we are not having the bearish cross. This is good. We are not having the yellow line going beyond the 50-day EMA, the red line. That is good. And we are approaching on the daily frame again an oversold situation. Of course, we can go even further above. We don't want to lose the support level around this area. You can see here, we want to maintain above and eventually go even further upwards. We don't want to lose the bearish cross here, the bearish cross on the 20-day EMA. We don't want to lose our position. And for the MACD, we have this bearish cross here on the daily frame. What we want to see is a bullish recross immediately towards the upwards for VECHAIN. Alright, so VECHAIN against USDT now, guys, we can go there. You can see how we lost this immediately perfect bottom trend line here, the yellow line, and we failed to just go higher. We had the squeeze point here, lower highs you can see, higher lows. We had the squeeze point, we went down all the way. Now we have a descending wedge here going on, and we want to see if we can break this bottom trend line and eventually retest the 11 cents, maybe even higher. Guys, it is a bit of a risky situation, I must say, but if you go on the daily frame, you will realize that we are approaching an oversold situation. The MACD, RSI can go even further down, it can go upwards as well. The commodity channel index, guys, commodity channel index will decide whether we are having the RSI here as a bottom or not. If we correct so much more on the commodity channel index and go into this area, then yes, we are going further down. But now we are approaching an oversold situation. So therefore, I must say that it is very, very possible to start seeing from here a little bit of a higher low pattern and eventually break this top trend line. If we break this top trend line, we are looking forward to 11 cents and afterwards to 13 cents. That's our next price targets. Does this mean though that we can move above? It doesn't mean, guys, that we can go to previous all-time highs, right? Forget it, to previous highs, forget going there soon, anytime soon. We won't be going there anytime soon. However, we might have an important swing high that we care for. We have so many obstacles, guys, to go above. For example, we have the 20-day EMA on the 4-hour frame. We have the 50-day EMA as a resistance level right here. We got some major resistance levels going on, 11 cents and 12 cents. 13 cents around there. So we have many obstacles to go on. For example, we need first of all to break this top trend line. Secondly, we need to break the 50-day EMA, the 11 cents, and then go to 13 cents. So we have to take it step by step, but these are our next price targets right here for VECHAIN, 11 cents and 12 to 13 cents. We might go there, guys. It is very, very possible scenario to approach these levels again, especially if Bitcoin starts to go upwards right here and has a swing high and therefore goes to 39,500. But you know, my opinion already about Bitcoin is that even if we go upwards, guys, even if we have the swing high, we will get down to 27,000 USDT around this area. Losing this area will mean we go further down, but this will be our next target, 27,000 USDT. In my opinion, we will be going there. Therefore, guys, of course, if you want to swing trade, you can wait. If we can break this top trend line, then it's all good to swing trade for 11 cents or in the 50-day EMA or eventually even more. But the point is here that if Bitcoin has this swing low right here, 27,000 USDT, VECHAIN will fall down even more, right? It will fall down even further down. That means that you are risking here, you have a risky situation although we might see a swing high, the possibility of seeing a swing high for VECHAIN is very, very high, right? It's very, very high. We have those price targets for our short term, but in overall, if you want for the midterm, I suggest you to wait. If you are a midterm trader, guys, and you hold for 1, 2 months or maybe 3 months, I would wait for you. I would wait till we go a little bit further down. For now, 11 and 13 cents are very, very much likely to happen, are our next targets for VECHAIN. And if you want to swing trade, then I suggest you to do that, but you are taking some of the risk, right? It is your choice, guys, not a financial advice, of course. It is your choice to make. However, right now we are in a descending mode. I think that we can actually surpass this top trend line for now. I think we can actually go upwards because of VECHAIN against Bitcoin in the daily. You can see here that we are going again into an oversold situation for the commodity channel index. Same here, guys, on the daily frame for against USDT for VECHAIN. So therefore, I expect maybe VECHAIN to go somewhere like this and eventually have a quick swing high before we get down again. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Of course, stay tuned for many more videos. Bye.